Hey guys, this is Michelle from $1 Million Dupes, Home Decor, Money and Luxury. This is my updated Restoration Hardware Master Bedroom Tour. This is the changes that I made. I did a long video where I was lifting up sofas and lifting up chairs and moving things around, but you know, you probably couldn't get the whole picture. This is the after of me moving all that around. It looks a lot better. I like it a lot better. See it from this angle. And this wall over here, I'm going to put an IKEA pack system on that wall. This is the after, and I don't know if you remember what I did. I had this is a 2-level condo, but it's a lot of space in this bedroom. They really did great planning. These 2 chairs were at the other end before, and I put them at the end of the bed, and they come over here so you can see it a little better. Yeah, this is a better angle. So what I did was I took the 2 chairs, I put them at the end of the bed, and this will make a much more welcoming feel. I mean, I think I like this look a lot better. And you may be asking yourself, where did the sofa go? Well, the sofa is over here in the bay window. And I lifted all this up myself. You need to watch the other video. I think it's part 2 or part 3. I lifted all this stuff up myself. So this sofa, remember this sofa? It's your first time watching, welcome to this channel. And I focus on interior design, shop with me, luxury, money, mindset. This sofa was at the end of this bed before, so I had to move it over here, and I measured it ahead of time. It's plenty of space at the end on both ends, and it fits great. So this sofa is now in the bay window, like a box window. And this is a full-size sofa, as you can see. These are 2 pillows I have open in, and this is like how it looks. Now the plant that I had over there, I moved the plant. And it's a real plant, you guys. Fiddly cycles. I moved the plant over here closer to this other window, and this plant is growing. Every week it's growing bigger and bigger. So, and that's my Birkin-inspired Hermes bag. It's the red one, and that's the gold one. I don't know if I showed you guys this. This is another great find, Amazon luxury find. It's a 3-level organizer. So I use it for all of my bath and body wash products. I also have another one in my bathroom, and I use it for my perfume. This thing is wonderful. You can put makeup on here, but I use it for all this stuff, and you can see. And also, I have one all luxury perfume. I mean, this is great. This makes it, and it's well. So if you don't have this, you need to get this. In this handbag, like I said, this is the new one. It's red. This handbag and this handbag, these styles, I have a lot link below. They look so good and feel so real. I don't want that $5,000 Chanel bag anymore. I really don't want it. I'd rather buy some, clothes and jewelry and accessories from Chanel and shoes. But I don't want that $5,000 bag. Now I added this handbag scarf, and I added this pony to make it look, more. Take the bag to the next level. That's all I'm gonna link below, but left hand, and I have the black one. But these bags, Beacon leather, such good quality made, and it's a designer inspired. It doesn't have any labels on it, but it's still so good. You have a good handbag, but you can just tell how you carry it. It just makes you feel like $1 million. So I said, I don't want to waste money on that $5,000 Chanel bag anymore. I figured I'd share that with you. This is a picture I got from At Home store. I could not believe when I saw they had Gucci at the At Home store. No, I mean Gucci at Home Goods. At Home Goods. You believe that? Do they have something like all Gucci champagne? Is that the same? I said, well, let me put this up here to stick it up here. And I put inspiration. This is some jewelry that I have. And that's Hermes throw. See the horses? Excuse me, Hermes inspired throw. Pardon me. Got excited. Hermes inspired throw. It's orange, and I have a little mannequin here to display that. But this sofa fit over here perfectly. I couldn't believe it. And this is the bed. I have 2 king-size pillows behind it because it makes the bed, you know, stack up. This bed came from Ashley Furniture Store, 69 inches tall. So, but to have these chairs here, it's just, and then I have the sofa here. So I don't have a TV in my bedroom sitting on the sofa now, but if I did, I could be sitting here watching TV. This is like a whole suite, you know, it's like a whole income suite. And over there is my vision board. And this is a chandelier. Let me step up here so you can see it a little bit better. This chandelier came from Home Depot. It looks like $1 million. I mean, it's such good quality. It's plastic, you know, pieces chandelier. But at nighttime when I want to open, even now, I mean, it looks like real. It looks like real crystal. So I had that installed when I moved in, and then as you see, I have these are real crystals. Focal cup orb, desk chandeliers, and that's a real restoration harbor picture that I have in the background here. But these chairs look really nice here. I mean, I just can't believe how this changing the environment, changing up. Which one is better? Probably this one, yeah. I said, well, let me see if I can change these chairs around. And just putting the chairs at the end, and I added a small table, and this fragrant incense is so nice. You don't have any of this. I said, I'm not getting any more plugs here. I'm getting the bottle with the sticks, fragrance sticks. This is so much more elegant to have in the bedroom, and you put it these. It just takes the room to a whole nother level with the glass bottle and the fragrance sticks. Get it back all in here. I got one hand. I have the pomegranate smell. I got this from this weekend from Pottery Barn. So that's where that came from, pomegranate. But it just adds a piece of sophistication to the table. Just having a deal like that. So I just wanted you guys to see the new update. And I think it looks really nice. So what you could do is, some people do, they put another rug here, laying it out here. There's another piece you could do, like a white rug with really, I might, see a couple of these. One home goods had like a white faux fur rug. Lay that here and going down. That would look pretty too. That would add another bit of luxury. And I could also do a white faux fur throw at the end of the bed, or make, something like that if I wanted to. With the faux fur rug, I think that would that would make a nice touch. And then when I get the IKEA system, down the road, this is a pretty long wall, so we can do a lot here. It goes all the way from here, all the way down here. And this is the old ottoman, you guys. I have no space for it. I have a lot of eBay stuff I'm selling, getting rid of. All that eBay stuff is in my extra bedroom. I don't think I ever showed you guys, not in this video. I could just run down there and put the lights on. But this is the ottoman. This ottoman was in that big window before. So we've done a lot. We have done a lot. I really think this really takes a look to, it makes me feel happy. It's more open. I have more open space. Remember that long sofa was there before at the end of the bed. And I just think it makes a nice feel for me. And when you're coming in here, because I didn't do it like I normally open up the door, and I started from like here, but I started inside the room, and this is walking right into the room. Tell me this doesn't look like $1 million. I got the curtains from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I had the curtain rods installed professionally, so everything would line up and it would, match. I had that done. So we step back, we're coming in. That's what it looks like. Ooh, nice to sip on some champagne here. I don't drink champagne or drink any alcohol. I said I'm going to have some big reason to celebrate. I'm going to get something. Because, this is an accomplishment. Put all this stuff in here and get that sofa over this bed by one side and lift it up like I did. That's a lot. So smash the like button if you like this video and you're having fun and you can see the difference. Give me your opinions below in the comments. Really appreciate it. And keep watching. Watch the next video. I have a whole series of these kinds of videos. So appreciate your support and watch the next video.